Hey guys, how are you? Jeff Dissett here with the CPP Week to Wicked 55 Chevy build. Is presented by Golden Star. Now when you're sweating the little details and you want nothing but the best, you're looking for those little pieces that are going to really stand out. Basically when you want the pieces that are designed and manufactured the coolest street rod and muscle car parts on the planet, you call up Clayton Machine Works. Check these little pieces out. Got the inside door handles, billet machined, beautiful little pieces. Door handles, window cranks, for all the best machine parts out there, it's Clayton Machine Works. They're buy low car. They're the only parts we use on the CPP Week to Wicked 55 Chevy. Clayton Machine Works, for the coolest street rod muscle car parts on the planet.